Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today we're going to unbox this. This is a ice cube tray, thermal, and then a pants in here. So let's go ahead and unbox this. What is this? It's OXO Good Grips Cover Silicone Ice Cube Tray, large cubes. So this one is the stackable with the easy release cube. Satisfaction guarantee. Make 6 large 1 3/4 inch cubes. And it is made in China. There's the barcode. So take it out and check it out. Also, you can stack them out like that. That is pretty big. It's a plastic tray right here. Then this is the lid. See if we try to stack them up. So therefore, this plastic feet, you can just stack them up. And it's not gonna move anywhere, okay? See what else is in here. Here's the invoice. So here are the 3 items right here. Well, actually 4. Because the ice cube tray is 2 of them. It says $14.99 each unit. And then the other one is a Chino pants, $14. And then there's a Cuisinart, the PerfectTemp Cordless Programmable Kettle. Retails $99.99. And this one's a Van Heusen 30 by 30 straight fit. Max Flex waistband with the sure tuck gripper. Go and open this. use a plastic to protect it. And this one's made in Bangladesh. %70 cotton, 28% polyester, 2% spandex. And you got this like a silicone rubberized then hooks and branding on there, and then this horizontal line. There's one of the button, another button that's inside. And this one is a zip fly with a YKK zipper. And the pocket is pretty deep. Temperature activated cooling. And it is a yes button on the rear pockets. And it's pretty deep too. Let's go ahead and move on to the thermal. This is the most expensive item. All these airbags. So this one's the 1500 watts power to heat water fast, 1.7 liter capacity, enough for coffee, tea, and more. 6 preset temperature, heats tea water to ideal temperature, keep warm option, maintain set temperature for 30 minutes, perfect memory, holds selected setting when Kettle is removed from base, stainless steel finish, classic Cuisinart styling. And this one has a 3 years warranty. That's the model number CPK-17P1. You can follow them on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, G+, Instagram. So it has a 1.7 capacity. It's a removable filter. This is a stainless steel finish. And then there's a button right there to push to open the lid. You have the 6 preset temperatures and star button, and the other one's keep warm button. Holds selected temperature for 30 minutes. And you got the large blue backlit water window. It offers auto shut off and boil dry protection. There's a 360-degree swivel connector base, perfect memory, and then concealed heating element. And 1500 watts of power. So you could make a noodle, coffee, chocolate, or a hot tea. And here are some of the instruction right here for dedicated tea. We set 160 degree, or green tea 175 degree, white tea is 185, oolong tea 190, French press 200 degree, or black tea boil. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this. So this one is to register your product. And you got the instruction manual. And this one, this size in English. Here's some of the recipe. You can make iced southern sweet tea, white tea with the fennel, Thai iced tea, bubble tea, Moroccan mint tea, and ginger lemon honey tea, cha, ginger jasmine martini, and then open this. Wow, look at that. So you open this to open the lid. Oh, so this is the filter they're talking about. It's kind of hard to see how they put it back in though. There you go. And then you had the 160 degree, 175, 185, 190, 200, and then boil. Start, keep warm. The buttons are pretty tactile. And then here's your water level right there, 1.7 liter, 1.5, 1.25, 1.0, 0.75, or 0.5. Well, I was like, where's the plug or the base? Still in there. So you got three of these rubberized feet. You only do is just put this on top there. And it's like spring loaded. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. like always. Peace.